welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and today's video I have a Cavalli Lash unboxing and try on for you guys. So this is the beautiful packaging here. Look, Cavalli Lash. Oh my god. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Let's go. Oh my gosh. So Cavalli Lash was so kind to actually send these to me. Oh my god. I'm dead. I'm dead. There's so much in here. Look at these. We have a little eyelash holder. I love the calligraphy on there. Like, oh, I just love fonts. I think it's so sweet. And we have a wee card here as well. Cavalli Lash. It says, hi, gorgeous. Hi, gorgeous. We are so excited to introduce you to Cavalli Lash. We can't wait to hear what you think, and we hope you find some new favorite eyelashes. I think I will. I love wearing eyelashes. So, oh my god, there is a shit ton in here. Oh my gosh, and this eyelash adhesive. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Dude, I am like latex free as well. Oh my god, they thought of everything. So this one is dark, and then this one is clear. Oh my god, I've used a dark and a clear. Okay, so here we have the Cavalli Lash. What are these ones? These ones are Flora. Those are so fucking nice. And we have these are everything. What are these? Besitos. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking pretty. Then we've got these, which is Milan. Oh, I love those. Milan. I have this one here. Oh my god, there's so many. I'm so overwhelmed. We got Stassi. These are gorgeous. I love just the packaging though, the iridescent and then also the glitter backgrounds. These are some gorgeous lashes. Oh, these Ventura. These are gorgeous. All right, then we have these ones here. These are Maxi. These are actually so freaking beautiful. And then we have these ones here. These are Exotica. These are so nice. Then we have these ones here. These are freaking San Rio. These are so gorgeous. Oh my god. Look at them all. Like, these are just so gorgeous. The packaging alone is just absolutely stunning. Like, just look at the packaging. But these lashes, they look so good. Let's pull some out of the back. Out of the plastic, though. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at these. Okay, these literally are so fucking soft. Look at them. Look at the quality and the bands. Like, these are so freaking gorgeous. Like, look. I want to wear these. These are the ones that I think I'm going to wear, but they are so freaking gorgeous. Like, I'm going to wear all of these, but I'm like, these I really want to try on. I really want to try also these. Go follow them at all of these. And if you want to get some lashes, go to the website like, too. These lashes are so beautiful. I'm like, these are so gorgeous. Like, these ones here would look really good. I think I don't want to go for these ones. These are the Besitos ones. I think, like, what's really tickling me and making me very interested is these San Rio ones. I think I'm going to try these. Are like double lashes. Look at these. These are so fancy. So I'm going to try these ones on. So first I'm going to go ahead and remove the lash from the packaging. But I also, because you want to make sure you bend it into shape. So I've removed it here. I need to see, these feel so cool. These are so nice. I need to see if I need to trim them for my eye shape because my eyes are a little bit small. So if you are to trim them, I always trim from the outer corner. I just trim an outer section off. So I've just trimmed that off. You can see if I hold it up to my face. You can see I've trimmed that off. This is a really thick lash. I love it. It feels really like nice as well. Like, it just feels really fluffy. Like, it's just fluffy. I love it. All right, so again, we're cutting from this outer corner here, and then it should be small enough to fit on my lashes. So I do have mascara on. Look how sick this is gonna look. This is gonna look so good. I do have mascara on, but that's okay. So I'm going to get the clear lash glue. Look how cute it is. Says, avoid direct contact with the eye. If irritation occurs, rinse immediately with plenty of water or contact physician. So just get it on the lash band and not the eye. So here it is here. This is very pretty. Wonder if it's on a stick because, yes, I literally apply lash glue straight onto my eye with a brush. So this is literally perfect. It's absolutely perfect. I love that. I need to grab this as well so I can guide it onto my lash. Open up, please. There we go. Pull the little thingy off. This is so cute. So there we go. So I'm just going to get this and I'm just going to draw on my lash band. Oh God, I just throw it everywhere. I just throw it on the floor. Now it's all hairy. That's okay. That's okay. Redip. Okay. Alright. Here we go. So, just going to put that on my lash band there. I probably shouldn't have put on mascara first. Just because my lashes are now going to be sticky with it. And then I'm going to pick up the lash. Like so, like that. I'm literally just going to place it on top there. Oh my God, this lash is beige. I'm just going to position it on my eye. Wait, it's sticking to that glue like anything. Wow, look at that lash. Oh my God. Okay, and that is like stuck on now. That is on. Like, can I even adjust it? Like, I'm just trying to pinch my lashes together. Damn, that's on now, look. That lash glue is so good. This is literally the bougiest lash. Look at that from like the side. Oh my God, I need to get a close-up of this lash afterwards. I need to put the other one on. These are the nice, so these were, oh my God, what lashes were these? These were the San Rio. I'm obsessed. These are really nice and fluffy and just like, I don't know, they just feel really good. So let's put this one on. Okay. And then just another little bit for the edge. I love like how I put lashes on is legit just like that. I don't even put it on the actual lash. I put it straight on my eye like that. And I find that is how you just get the best placement as well. Let's place it on. Because the lash can't go anywhere that there's no glue. Do you know what I mean? Oh, this glue is so good. Glue is next level. Oh my God, I love these. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I feel like $1 million. I'm like, I just need to adjust this lash, but this glue is so good. Just trying to adjust that down slightly. Look at these. Oh, I love these. Oh my God, okay, I need to get these in proper light so you can see. These are amazing. Look at these lashes, like look. From the side as well. Like, these are so nice. And I can't believe, like, how good that glue is. These lashes are so fluffy. Oh, my God, I'm obsessed. I think these are amazing. Look at them. So, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Cavalli Lash, because these are next level. And I know all the other lashes are going to be such good quality like these. They're so fluffy as well. I'm just dragging hair all over the wet place. But these are so fluffy. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed that unboxing. What was your favorite lash? I think it's this one. This one's very, very cute. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I can't stop looking at myself. These lashes are literally everything. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.